Track 2. Anxiety Healing. High Vibrational Affirmations for Emotional Safety. I am emotionally safe in my body. I allow my feelings to move gently through me. I am held in compassion and understanding. My emotions soften with kindness. I feel protected in my own presence. My heart is safe and supported. I allow myself to feel without fear. I honor my emotional needs. My body knows how to return to balance. I trust the intelligence of my emotions. I am safe to be vulnerable. Emotional waves come and go with ease. I am grounded in emotional truth. My heart opens to gentle healing. I am safe to release emotional tension. I allow myself to be exactly as I am. I trust the emotional healing happening within me. I welcome softness into my feelings. I am emotionally secure and protected. I am safe, held, and supported.